Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2015 Yamaha FZ07. This is Yamaha's mid-size upright sport bike. Has a 698cc 2-cylinder engine, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has 13,691 miles on the odometer. This bike is in great condition. These bikes have been very popular, lightweight, great handling. This bike has been lowered 2 inches, front and rear, a little bit lower seat height. These bikes run really strong, good power. This very nice FZ07 is offered at $52.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.